Okay, go.
Go something. Yeah, he need to go change his shoes, Daddy.
I told you wear your shoe.
Just take it and go change it. We'll wait for you.
Emily, you and mommy go stay over here.
You stay here. Right there. That's good. Hi, Emily. Okay, I don't see you. Yeah, you do.
I did me too.
Let me see how pretty you are. Oh, okay, cute.
Yeah.
Let me see. Peekaboo! Peekaboo, I see you.
Ah!
So pretty.
Draw my hair.
Okay, you're gonna get dirty. Hello, Emily, say hi. Emily, say hi.
Yeah.
Hello. Peekaboo.
On the right side. Car coming.
Follow Daddy. Follow Daddy.
Anna? Hey, wait, car coming, wait. Yeah, car coming. Oh, wait, car going right now, wait. Don't go nowhere.
Daddy, it's raining. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh, it's only sprinkles. Let's see how wet we get. Hello, stay on the side.
That side, Emily. Take this side. Yeah. Oh, I thought that was the eagle.
Honk, honk.
Oh, that's character.
Oh, no. It's raining. It's pouring. All we have is raindrops. We turn around and go home until another day.
Damn it, it's raining hard now.
Yeah, told you.
You gotta wait that little small section come this way.
Just turn around and go back home.
The opposite, right?
Go opposite. Oh, no. Again? Daddy's getting it. Okay, you turn, U-turn. Đó có một chị. Nó nở luôn. Wow. Oh. Yeah, they. Whoa.
Keep going. We're almost at the Stewart Parkway. Go.
Okay, taking a break. 5 minutes.
Your heart do that. Your heart go boom, 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 boom.
How was it, Thompson? Tired? That's why you said take a break? How about you, Amelie? You tired now?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
We'll wait for Thompson when he's ready.
Thompson, you know you had to ride your bike to school, right? You know that?
I don't want to. I'm too scared.
No, you have to. You're a big kid now.
I'm right there on the track like
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
100 minutes. So hard.
Huh? Okay, ready?
I'm ready. Almost.
It rain's gonna stop right now, right?
You sure?
Well, it's safe for the next hour, but
It doesn't look like it. It's still very gray.
yeah,
Okay.
look, the sun's already popping up on the right side. Or it's coming this way. The wind's blowing this way. Yeah, the wind's blowing this way, so the clouds gonna go over.
I hope so.
Done? Okay, let's go. Car's coming. Stay on the right side.
Fried chicken. Who's frying chicken? Smells so good.
No, we can't go. Go straight. Go straight.
Bye, Slowpoke. Bye, Slowpoke. Yep. Go to the playground. Gửi nhau đi luôn. You're the winner. Look at these slowpoke. Come, Michael, no.
play.
I know.
We can play on it.
You can only climb now.
I want to go slide.
No, it's wet. Don't slide.
Look, Emily, I'm too high up. Look. Look at me, Emily. Hi, Thompson. I'm up here. Up here. Look. Look, you're not looking. Where is Thompson? Where is Thompson? Where's Emily? Hey. Hey. Oh, what?
Let me see, there's bloody puddle right there. Can I have your coat? Don't let me down. Don't jump. Don't walk my It's on.
No, don't step on water. How about?
Bloody puddle.
Nah, your feet gonna be all dirty again. I washed their.
Oh. You watch mine?
Yeah, no.
Okay, which one?
Okay, you know this. Trốn lên.
Daddy, look.
What?
I can reach this.
Go. Don't touch the rope. Yeah.
Hello.
Go.
Let me see.
Oh, Emily cheated.
What?
Emily made it too.
Huh? Emily cheated?
No, she made it. Hey, sun's coming up again.
Yeah. I made it.
Made
Good job, Gonu.
Where should we go? Maybe we'll buy bike on this side. See what's on this side.
Okay.
Cause the sun's coming up, right? So we'll go. That
I'm
way, I told you stop stepping in water.
I want to come over.
You can't go over there. Where you
She can
going?
try. Try, my baby. Thompson did it. You can do it.
Yeah, that's constant.
Why you say it like that? You know Emily's so good.
Go.
She's
Watch
good.
it.
She does everything Thompson does. Huh, Emily, huh?
How?
See, look at her.
Bad boy. You not listening?
Huh?
I told you don't step on water no more.
See, she did it. She's so good.
One. Okay, you don't listen up.
Daddy.
You go stay on that side. You don't stay on this side.
Where did I do this?
No. So you're gonna step on water again.
Where are you guys going?
Uh-oh. Now it's sprinkling more. Now it's sprinkling more. Go this way.
Nó tao muốn nói phải chịu. Go, follow daddy, go. It's raining too much.
Is that bathroom open?
No.
We ain't almost done.
I don't know.
We got less than 20 minutes.
Right.
Yeah. The sun's gonna come up, all the leftover rain, that's how we can see the rain now. And then when all the rain goes by, they should be done.
I hope so.
I know. I'm playing the rain.
Oh, uh-huh.
And
What is it, Thompson?
Up there.
What?
Look
Is
up
it
there.
rainbow?
Yeah.
It is!
Rainbow. Rainbow.
Good job, you guys.
We found it.
Yeah, you guys found it.
No, I found it.
Yeah, you found it first, and then Emily did.
Rainbow.
Wow.
I never seen rainbow.
Yeah, we never looked for it. That's why.
Yeah, I never seen a rainbow in the phone.
Oh, okay.
Mama, I never seen a rainbow. We
Yeah.
never see it. From
It reflects from the rain, Thompson.
rain?
Uh-huh.
Rain make it?
Yeah, when the rain hit the sunlight, it creates the rainbow.
Oh.
You know that?
Oh.
That's so cool.
And maybe it's gonna stop and the rainbows can still see here.
It looks like the rainbow's right there only, Thompson. Look.
Oh.
The rainbow looks to be right there only by the playground. By the swing. Look.
Yeah.
It looks like it stopped right there by the swing, huh? The rainbow. It goes right this. And then right there.
It's not it. It's the bathroom.
Oh, that is so cool. Good job,
I
Thompson.
wanna go down.
Thompson,
Don't bring it
how
back
do you
to the
feel?
rain.
You found the rainbow?
What?
How do you feel about finding the rainbow?
I don't know.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Look at me. You happy? So what happened? You were just looking up in the sky and then you found the rainbow? Oh, tell us. Tell us what happened.
Tell you how I found the rainbow?
Yeah.
I'm just going over there in the rain and I look up and I found the rainbow.
Wow.
I
That's,
just look up and I look up again and I saw the rainbow.
and you were so happy?
Yeah.
Wow, that was so cool, Thompson.
And the rainbow.
Is this the first time you saw the rainbow, Thompson?
Yeah.
Wow.
Almost done.
Wow, look at the rainbow. Now we can see it more, Thompson. Emily, look. Uh-huh. You already know that, Emily? Try to get the whole thing, but no.
Yes, she brought the charger.
I sure did.
Wait, where's the cord charger?
What did you say, Thompson?
Mommy, I thought rainbow come from heaven.
Oh, really?
I
Well-
just thought.
You just thought so?
Yeah.
Why do you think it came from heaven?
I don't know.
Could it have so many different lights? A color? What color do you see, Thompson?
I see purple
Uh-huh.
and blue
Uh-huh.
and pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
Do you see a little bit green?
What?
Green? Do you see green?
Yeah.
Wow.
They don't look like a rainbow.
Yeah. Oh, there's
Wow, that is so amazing.
We
there's a
can
playground
watch
on the
it. Mommy,
Go, Thompson.
will you take
Hurry.
it like his rainbow?
Go, 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 go. Go.
Let's go. Mommy,
Yeah. Keep going. Follow Daddy. Okay, the sun is out. And here we go. Ba? Có bay chưa? Here we go, here we go. Off on the road. You said look behind, you can still see a rainbow? Kind of. Oh, I can't see it no more. Hả? You see the rainbow, my go nu?
Yeah.
Oh, nhắm tới nè. Good job, you guys. Oh, so pretty. Look at this. Wow.
Mommy,
Hả? Trời chị Phật. Lấy thua Phật nào. Cho nó chuyển mong Phật đó. Smell Phật hả? Oh, that smells so good. Daddy, big look to my Phật.
Mommy,
It smells like Phật, huh?
it's grass.
It's grass.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know about that.
you go to that other side, you take break. Come on, let's go. Where are you going? You're going this way.
No.
Okay, why are you going middle street?
Here they come.
Uh-oh, that one's
Go, Thompson. I know. So we're gonna go home. Here, Thompson, record. Record your bike. Show us how to do your bike.
Nothing. Nothing. Yeah, 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 yeah.
You guys, look what happened.
What?
Thompson's so tired. Thompson, tell everybody.
Huh?
Tell everybody. What happened?
I'm too tired.
You too tired? Okay. Okay. Almost home. Huh? What long thing? Oh, this one? Yeah, but it doesn't hold it. Every time you go to a bump, my phone falls off. It's supposed to hold my phone, but it's not doing a good job. I'm just gonna leave it. What are you guys doing? Hey, I gotta win, Emily! That's not fair. You guys are cheating. I'm trying, but Daddy, they're too fast. I don't want to flip. How was it, Thompson? Tired? What did you say, Emily? You won? Let me see.
Yeah, mommy, hello, bring all your stuff.